Welcome back to, what is this, day number 5. Yes, day number 5 of BELLAmas. I just got back from the event that I was telling you about that I went to for work. It's one of our partners that we will be partnering with more in 2024. They invited us to their partner summit. And so I was really ecstatic. I met some great people from great brands. I met some other advertisers. So made a lot of great connections. I think that will hopefully, bear fruit in 2024. As for the makeup today, on the lips is Elsa number 2 from Pat McGrath. I also used the Pat McGrath palette Mothership number 11. So I used this palette. And then I also use the Lunar Nightshade from the Bijou Brilliance collection that Mother Pat came up with. So I use this color on the lid and this color in the crease. And then with this palette, I deepened the crease with this color, and then I use this color on the back half of the eye. So let me just show you. I mean, it held up very, very well. And full day, although I did go into the office a little late, my trains were like wonky today. So I wasn't able to get in until like, I think 10:30, 11. I usually get in about 9:15 the latest. So, and we're supposed to come in at 9:30. So I was late, but I mean, the trains have been really, really spastic lately. I think it's because it's the holiday season. Not that many people are traveling. And so they pulled back a lot of trains. And then the trains that they did, if there's a break in schedule, it just knocks everything out of whack. So I think that's what happened basically. But I got in, I was able to make all but one meeting. There's one meeting that I have to push until maybe tomorrow, maybe when I come back, because I'm off after tomorrow until the 14th. And then I come back, I work another 2 days, and then I'm off until the rest of the year. So hopefully I can make that meeting happen in between that time. But if not, we can push it off to the first of the year. In any case, I had a great time at the event. And I, like I said, made some great connections. And then on my way to the train station to come home, I stopped in by happenstance to Nordstrom Rack. And I found some boots that I'm kind of feeling. And I got a major, major, major discount on these boots. And they're from a brand that I love because I already have a pair of their boots. And I love them. And I get loads and loads of compliments on these boots. By the way, shout out to my H&M dress. Don't we love? It's like an off the shoulder. You can actually pull it off the shoulder, but because I was working, I wasn't doing no off the shoulder. So I had it up like this, and I have my little Chanel pearl brooch, and it is midi length. So I had on my Stuart Weitzman gray boots, which is good. Gray and oatmeal, they kind of complement each other. But had I had these boots that I just got, that would have been perfect. So let me show you the boots that I got. And also, let's open these advent calendars. Okay, babes. So let's start off with the boots that I just picked up from Nordstrom's Rack. They're by Schultz. I'm gonna tell you, these are my second pair of boots by Schultz. The first pair of boots that I have, I think are 8.5. These are an 8, but they're so comfortable. Both pairs of these boots are very, very comfortable. They are originally $238. They were marked down to $59.50. And then I got an additional 75% off savings. So they went down to like $23. And then I had two $10 coupons because I am a Naughty Club member. So the $23 that these boots were, I got the additional $20 off. So I paid $3 for these boots. $3. Here they are. They are wedge boots, which I'm loving these days. I'm loving everything a wedge. And they're knee length. They are cream colored. I'm feeling these. I'm so feeling these. And I'm gonna tell you, these were the last pair that I saw. I love these. Don't you love these? I love these. So cute, so cute. So I'm gonna wear these tomorrow with my dress that I'm gonna wear for my client celebration for the holidays party. It's just a lunch, an early lunch, just to celebrate our wins this year, talk about 2024 and what we want to do and all of our plans, and sort of start the ball rolling on what we want to do. So I'm gonna wear these then. Actually would have went well with this outfit, but that's okay. The other sweater dress that I'm gonna wear tomorrow is a banger too. Here it is. Yay. I'm having such a great time with this box, really and truly. All right, a little bit of it. All right, so here is the Cult Beauty box. I'm gonna open it up. Here's our booklet, which you'll pull to the side. Open it up. Day number 5 is right up here at the top almost. Oh, it's a big box, so maybe it's a full size. Whoop, whoop. All right, day number 5. Not peeking, not peeking. All right. Oh, it's not wrapped up, so I can just pull it out. Okay. Oh, okay. These are Hair Gain Hair Gummies, natural apple and berry flavor, 60 vegan gummies. Nice. You know how I do. I jump right in, right? So let's pop it open. Ooh, they smell really good. They look like this before I pop it in my mouth. That's what it looks like. Put it in my mouth. Definitely taste the apple. It says it supports healthy hair, supports collagen for the skin, and maintains normal nails. That's good because I've been having issues with my nail bed lately. Having ridges in my nails. I don't know what's going on. Oh, it says chew 2 gummies per day for adult use only. All right, so I have to eat another one. All right, babes. You know, this is something I don't do on my channel, eat in front of y'all, but I'm gonna pop another gummy. They're very tasty. And if they do any of what they claim to do, support healthy hair, support collagen for the skin, maintain normal nails, they got a new fan and a new buyer. No artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners. Suitable for vegetarians and vegans. Food supplement with pea shoots, vitamins, and minerals. Okay. Okay. All right, hair gang. I'm gonna give it a shot. 60 vegan gummies, so enough for a month. We'll try it out. And I will come back to you in January and let you know what I think. So that was day number 5 from Cult Beauty. Now let's see what we got from In Good Taste. Scratch off. So we have to do the scratch off for day number 5. All right. Day number 5. Let's see what we got. It's another red. It is a Andiano Rosso Italia, product of Italy. It's another Italian red wine. Whoop, whoop. Love it. All right, so now let's scratch off. Let's see what the tasting notes are for this latest wine. Number 5. So for our red wine today, it's a 2020 red wine from Italy. Tasting notes are red cherry, cranberry, and leather. Ooh, this is the first time I've ever had leather as a tasting notes in my wine. So I feel like this is going to be very velvety. This is probably going to be a dry wine, not a sweet one. I'm excited. I'm excited. I went to that event and they had these canned spirits, and the one that I had was an old fashioned. And so that's what I'm drinking today. Very, very enjoyable. It totally reminds me of an old fashioned. I don't taste the malt because usually those canned beverages have a little bit of malt to it, which, you know, adds a little to the tummy, but I don't taste the malt in here. So I'm sure there is, but I don't taste it, which I can appreciate and I enjoy. Wow. Okay, let's look and see what the book says about these gummies. So it's a full size, as I said. If your hair is on hiatus and needs motivation, these gummies boost biotin, zinc, and anagain complex to stimulate growth. Okay, now. I'm loving it. I'm feeling it. I like it. I like it. So, thus far, Hair Game Gummies, red wine, love them both. Another great advent calendar pull from In Good Taste and from Cult Beauty. Now, I did get notifications that I have some things at my UPS store. Hopefully it is the YSL that came a little bit early. I did order something else, and I think there's something that's coming in PR that I'm getting. Plus, there's supposed to be something from one of my babes. One of my babes sent me a cigar. So it could be any one of those things. I won't be able to pick it up tomorrow because I'm going into the office again tomorrow, but I will go to my UPS store on Thursday because I'm off. Tomorrow's my last day in the office, so I'm off for the rest of this week and most of next week. So hopefully I can pick it up then and we can start opening up the YSL advent calendar. I'm excited. So that's it. Before I leave you all, I am going to insert a little snippet of the day and the event that I went to, so you can get a little feel for my day-to-day and what I do for a living. And I'll see you back here on tomorrow for day number 6. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, you have now been Bellafied.
9 or 10 months. It was a very short window. It was great to see you here. So Global Citizen decided to invest in headcount in 2020 when we realized the best way to have an impact in the U.S. was going to be through voter registration. Outside of that, most of our campaigns are not U.S. focused.
Really resonate, and I think that what we really strive to do is provide equal, nonpartisan messaging that inspires people to find their own power